Good afternoon. Today, we will be discussing the connection between the Trivium and Quadrivium. These two sets of subjects form the foundation of a classical education and provide a comprehensive education that develops knowledgeable, thinking, and articulate students. The Trivium consists of grammar, logic, and rhetoric, while the Quadrivium consists of arithmetic, astronomy, music, and geometry. Together, they provide a unique perspective on the world and help us understand its underlying principles. Let's start with the Trivium. The Trivium is concerned with language and communication, and it provides the foundation for effective communication and critical thinking. Grammar is the study of language, including its structure, rules, and usage. It involves understanding the parts of speech, syntax, and sentence construction. A strong grasp of grammar leads to better writing, communication, and critical thinking skills. Logic is the study of reasoning and argumentation. It involves understanding the principles of valid and sound reasoning, as well as identifying fallacies and inconsistencies in arguments. Logic helps us think critically, analyze information, and make informed decisions. Rhetoric is the study of effective communication and persuasion. It involves understanding how to use language, tone, and style to convey ideas and influence others. Rhetoric helps us become better speakers, writers, and leaders. Now, let's move on to the Quadrivium. The Quadrivium is concerned with the properties of numbers, space, and sound, and it provides the foundation for understanding the underlying principles of the universe. Arithmetic is the study of numbers and their properties. It involves understanding addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as more advanced concepts such as algebra and number theory. A strong grasp of arithmetic leads to better problem-solving skills and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Astronomy is the study of the universe and its contents. It involves understanding stars, planets, galaxies, and other celestial objects, as well as the laws that govern their behavior. A strong grasp of astronomy leads to better understanding of the universe and our place in it. Music is the study of sound and its properties. It involves understanding rhythm, melody, harmony, and composition. A strong grasp of music leads to better appreciation of music and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Geometry is the study of space and its properties. It involves understanding the relationships between points, lines, angles, and shapes, as well as more advanced concepts such as Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometry. A strong grasp of geometry leads to better spatial reasoning skills and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Now, you may be wondering how the Trivium and Quadrivium are connected. The Trivium provides the foundation for effective communication and critical thinking, while the Quadrivium provides the foundation for understanding the underlying principles of the universe. Together, they lead students to see a unified idea of reality and provide a comprehensive education that develops knowledgeable, thinking, and articulate students. In ancient Greece and Rome, the Trivium and Quadrivium were the foundation of a classical education. They were seen as essential for developing knowledgeable, thinking, and articulate citizens who could contribute to society. During the Middle Ages, the Trivium and Quadrivium were the foundation of Western education. They were taught in universities and monasteries throughout Europe and were seen as essential for developing knowledgeable, thinking, and articulate scholars. Today, the Trivium and Quadrivium are still relevant. They provide a comprehensive education that develops critical thinking, analytical, and communication skills that are essential for success in any field. By studying the Trivium and Quadrivium, we can develop the skills we need to succeed in the modern world. Now, I'm sure you have some questions. Yes, you in the back.
How do the Trivium and Quadrivium relate to computer science?
That's a great question. While the Trivium and Quadrivium are not directly related to computer science, they do provide a foundation for critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are essential for success in any field, including computer science.
Can you give an example of how the Trivium and Quadrivium are used in real life?
Sure. Let's say you're designing a building. By understanding the principles of geometry, you can create a structure that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By understanding the principles of rhetoric, you can communicate your ideas effectively to your team and stakeholders. By understanding the principles of arithmetic, you can manage the budget for the project effectively.
How do the Trivium and Quadrivium relate to liberal education?
Another great question. The Trivium and Quadrivium are the foundation of a liberal education. They provide a comprehensive education that develops critical thinking, analytical, and communication skills that are essential for success in any field.
Can you tell us a funny anecdote about the Trivium and Quadrivium?
Sure. Why did the Quadrivium invite the Trivium to their math party? Because they wanted to add a little grammar to their equations and make sure the dancing rhetoric was simply irrational fun. In conclusion, the Trivium and Quadrivium provide a unique perspective on the world and help us understand its underlying principles. The Trivium provides the foundation for effective communication and critical thinking, while the Quadrivium provides the foundation for understanding the underlying principles of the universe. Together, they lead students to see a unified idea of reality and provide a comprehensive education that develops knowledgeable, thinking, and articulate students. Alright class. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to start thinking about topics for your term papers.